as part of the build. It means when we redo it, we don't keep track of that. Yeah. I mean, it's a package manager.
It might be better to somehow have all these packages in the.
You have a live YouTube stream.
Oh, what's happening?
I want to stream his
Screen?
tutorial. So now we can get fancy.
Of my camera or my screen?
Both. So now, if I'm correct, your screen should pop up here. Oh no, that's
Should write a blog about that.
So it would be nice to have all these side packages in the same folder as the extensions. And then it could be like everything in a shared directory or whatever, and then everything could go there, and even like those packages that are installed by Slicer or those packages that are installed by the extender should
questions?
be all in one.
Instead of being a per extraction sort of folder.
Yeah, now's a good time.
Per slicer revision.
That's why I think there's any informatical version, because if you can make informatical version of the same package, then it would make sense to have them separated.
Should track the mouse movement.
Just hold it, just hold it forward.
Then it should be
Probably.
shared for the various extension the slicer can.
Ultimately, you should, because when you install an extension, you download from internet. Means
we
should, maybe we could just download from a pip server, a slicer pip server. Or I mean, when you will depend on the same version as Python, you won't have this problem because you will.
But then you will
interrupt, yeah.
Then
Do you guys have
anyway.
time for a quick question? They want to, is it pull the cursor?
Pull the cursor position.
Yeah, so for the data probe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there's a normal node, the PTK crosshair node, where you get the both the crosshair position and the cursor position. The cursor position is updated always when you move the mouse, which in 3D view is not feasible because it's very expensive to get the 3D position from the view. But the crosshair position is updated when you hold down shift and you move the mouse, and that works in the 3D view as well. So the only thing that is missing now is that the data probe ignores the cursor position and only use ignores the crosshair position and only use the crosshair position, which is prepared for 2D views. So you need to update the data probe to observe the crosshair position, and if it's in a 3D view, then you have to check what's there. And the information is given by the displayable managers. The displayable managers know what information they display. So if you provide a position, 3D position to a displayable manager, it can tell you what is there, like what models, segments, whatever is in that position. So that would be the proper solution for getting information from there, instead of trying to go through all the nodes for yourself and figure out what is this in that view, and then try to get some information from that. So have a look at this crosshair node and also the displayable managers, and how the data probe gets the information from the displayable managers. And I think for now it may be only the segmentation displayable manager that can give this information. You give a 3D position and it tells you what's there. But other displayable managers could be extended as well to support this, as you just specify position and it will tell you what is the string that you should display. So displayable managers and crosshair node and data probe, these are the classes that you should.
You know what's a displayable manager?
Not yet.
On the
search in the source code.
On the wiki, we have the high-level explanation. You go on developer wiki and then logic, and then you're going to see a section about display manager.
It creates BTK actors from memory nodes. That is responsible for creating all the BTK actors from the memory tree. And for each node type, there is a separate display manager. Display manager for segmentation node, for model node, for markups. So for each type. So if you want to get information about what is the markup there at the current position, you would need to update the markup display manager to give you information about that. If it's only segmentation nodes, then it's already covered. If you want to add model nodes, then you will need to add this. But probably the easiest is to start with segmentation node. Just you display segments in the 3D view, and if you move the mouse while the shift key is pressed, the crosshair position is updated, and try to get information from the segmentation display manager. What are the segments that are at that position?
Each time a view is instantiated, they have a full collection of display manager, and then that's how we.
Okay, this is pretty impressive.
So probably the easiest is to start from the data probe and see like crosshair and cursor position, and that's just for the segmentation node, how it gets information from the segmentation node. And, try to get it for the 3D view as well. And like, have a look at it for a few hours, and then find me, and I will have further. But it's good if you can look at the code for a while and have an idea about what's happening.
That's good.
Thank you. Thank you.
So there you go, picture in picture.
Works?
Yeah, the speed is kind of...
Speed or delay? The delay is on purpose.
For the purpose?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I say something bad, then...
But I don't know how to change the keyframe frequency. So for now, maybe it's enough to just...
Oh, you're streaming on the like live Google Hangout stuff?
But YouTube instead of
YouTube?
Google Hangouts, yeah. This is
does
broadcast instead of like peer-to-peer.
And does it always save, or it's just?
I think I have. Yes, it does. It does a 4-hour DVR automatically. So.
Nice. So all the recording,
digital video recording.
So all the recording and broadcasting is managed by YouTube.
Recording and so you record and encode on your laptop with a piece of software.
Okay.
You send that to YouTube, then YouTube
Take
broadcasts. So you are using OBS to record and encode and send to YouTube, then YouTube. So and I've also configured it to use a hardware encoding. But you'll notice it's not a lightweight process. So
yeah. So,
but
how do you configure that thing to send to YouTube? You said like an. Oh yeah, streaming, YouTube, blah blah blah, and then password.
This is your key.
Streaming key.
But I think we can turn off the video because my face is like.
It's pretty. It's beautiful.
But we can save a lot of bandwidth as well.
Bandwidth.
Yeah, because the screen can be compressed much more.
Fine.
Especially if I move my face a lot.
That's cool. Yeah.
But it would be good to like if you can write it out how to do that. It would be really nice.
And then OBS allow you to like choose which window and combat and compose
Yes, you can.
what you stream.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay, so now you're just audio.
Is there an official break time?
No.
This stuff's out.
Okay, perfect.
You gotta code non-stop.
Yeah.
No break.
Well,
Yeah, no, people
maybe
will just.
go out and grab a cup of coffee and there's some granola bars and stuff.
I think it's youtube.com/perklab.research. I think. Ouch. No. Try just doing a YouTube search for PerkLab. Yeah, coffee and snacks are available should you. Yeah, that's right.
PerkLab.
Yeah, live now.
That's awesome.
Boom.
That's so great.
Easy too. So I'll give you something nice to look at. So if you go back to the stream, does it?
Was it the tutorial?
Yeah, segmentation tutorial. So now I'll go plug him in. So he is. Angash? So I didn't want to dig too far, but I just got your power cord, and so just your VGA adapter. What I was thinking is you could just work.
I didn't know that it's so easy to broadcast on YouTube.
Yeah. You could work it like this.
They make it's quite a big responsibility because you can set up broadcasting and broadcast to millions of people.
Yeah, you can say whatever you want. Yeah.
If you want to embarrass somebody of like that, it's
or yourself. So it's just FYI, it's live now, so yeah.
That's anything.
I think the kitware folks should be sort of piling in slowly. And if you want, you can actually see like how many people are watching. Say four viewers. Wow.
I will need some space.
Yeah, sorry. We could.
It's probably better if I face two people.
Okay,
I don't really need to see that.
Yeah, true.
If I mirror the screen, if I mirror the what? So
yeah, well, it looks good. Oh, but you need to see, of course.
yeah.
I guess.
Now let's see what's.
Nice, that's pretty good. Check that out.
And so how do you see what is in the stream? Just in the
It's your desktop, Graham. Everything in your desktop. So if you go to your browser, you'll see the live dashboard tab. And if you want, when Slicer is running, you can stream just a single window. You don't have to stream your whole desktop.
Yeah, that's fine. I will run it like for that.
Well, because that way you could go and check other things, and people won't see like your private
fine,
things.
fine.
Okay. Okay, so I will call people over. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. You want to learn about segmentation? I think we're going to get started. Just FYI, session is being recorded. I think well, actually, you could easily stay here and just speak to people. But if you want to ask questions, you have to be a bit closer. So, we'll let you. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want me to turn on the lights or see where?
Yeah, I think so. Probably better.
Maybe we can do only half the lights or something.
We can do a property though.
Do you prefer all the lights or just the one?
So it's sides?
No, it's 1 or 7.
Yeah, I think it's fine like this.
Okay. Definitely get you a spot.
That's okay. It's fine. Here.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so I think mostly almost everybody is here. So there are tutorials about the segment editor and like video tutorials, PowerPoint slides, and you can ask questions on the on Discourse and so on. So the main goal of this session, or what is unique, is that so many new features are added. Current background volume, large between them, but it's unusable for segmentation because it is unfortunately quite common. Like if it's something about at all. So if you know that you are interested in one particular part of the game, then just focus on that and choose that as a range of interest. So for example, if on this volume I'm interested in the vertebrae, then I mark those as with a region of interest. Always you can start with the threshold tool. That gives you an idea how that are disconnected, maybe due to suppression artifacts or other objects that have intensities. The easiest to get rid of this is to there are multiple large objects in your scene. Maybe you have a CT table and the patient, some other things that, and you don't want to, and just put different seeds in different levels. So I paint inside one vertebrae with one color, different color